Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Harry from Whipped Cream Sounds again. Today we're going to be cooking up something. So I started off with this Serum preset that's from my lo-fi pack and just been playing around with it, doing some melody stuff, and yeah, I'm just going to play it in. Yeah, that's the one. Utility, let's get some volume automation on that. Might have that on another channel, you know. Duplicate this one, let's get this. Ooh, I quite like that actually. Let's get this over here. One thing I've really liked doing recently is putting auto-tune on things. Like, it makes them sound like wild, man. Let's resample that. Let's see how that sounds reversed. Then we have a little gap between. Yeah, that's like, that'd be a wicked hook, I think. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna save that. We'll have a listen to everything else as well. Oh, well, do you know what? I'm gonna resample that as well and cut it up like how I did with that one, and that's gonna have it in the section. Get a different reverb on that. And then I want that resampled. I want to have a listen to this reversed, man. Not everything. Yeah, I want that out of that. Push that over there. Let's push that over there as well. Put some delay on that. Well, actually, I want some grain delay. So annoyingly, I was recording my session and the second part of the session got deleted by my hard drive. I'm just gonna go over everything I did during that part of the recording. So literally, since you last saw it, we've got a kick going on. I just popped a MIDI clip in there. Then I chucked in some hi-hats, literally every 16th note, and I just added a groove here, loose flow, something like that. Then I added some velocity over here as well, and some EQ there as well as some stereo width, just to give a bit of stereo width. Then you got the offbeat snare as well. I added in, and I added some snares in, glue compressed them, soft clipped, saturated, frequency shifted, and added some transient shaping. Yeah, and as you can hear, I've added that lead thing as well in there, as well as all the drums. Now, I'm not too sure about the lead, but we're gonna work with it and see how it goes. So we're gonna resample this, then we're gonna add some effects, and then we're gonna get on to the 808. And the 808, it's gonna hit, man. Quite like that, just like that. I'm gonna try and get like an ARP in there or something. Let's freeze that and see if we can resample it, maybe reverse it or something, and then like do something crazy with it. Right, I want to get some effects in here. Definitely want some EQ on that as well. Let's take out that. Let's take out that. EQ on that. See what we can do with this. Let's go 32. Try and get that, but duplicate it. Monte, like there. Transposition, that's what I want. And then down like 12 semitones. That doesn't seem to work. Why is that not working? Try and get that down 12 semitones. Back up towards the end. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. Change this to sampler, and then we're going to put this down to B because that's on B. So we got it in key. Now we got that sorted. I want to put some saturation on this 808. Let's get it knocking. Oh, that's funny, man. And I want this, I want to duplicate this, low, high, and this is just going to bring out those mid ranges. So I need pitch, we're going to put plus 12 pitch on the high, and then you just mix that in real low. Let's try this one. Then on that 808, I want to give that a little bit of high end. Let's get some erosion on that. That's pretty cool how it is right now. Okay, so let's structure this. I want this all like reverbed out in the start. Maybe not the same chords, just like maybe just the chords. That's wicked. That is wicked. That is. What do we need next? Right, this. We need Niku. Supermassive. Let's go for a huge supermassive reverb. Go full. Go in up here. We don't really want us to And then I want the mix to calm down here. And we just want to go full like that. We need to pull that filter in as well. So let's go down here. And we need to pull this filter up. I want like a little, this one, I love this one. Let's reverse it. I definitely want some OTT on this, like just to really bring those frequencies up. I want an EQ on this as well. I really like that beat. I think I'm done with that for there. That sounded really cool. Let's listen to the whole thing all the way through. All right, that's happy. I'm done with that for now. I'll probably work on it, sort of like structuring it later on, maybe mixing it a bit better later on as well. I'm gonna go do some sound design serum for the pack. If you did like this video, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of the beat. Was it good? Was it not? And yeah, hit the subscribe button for more content, sound design tutorials. Head over to the website for more content, sound design tutorials, all the good stuff. There's loads of free downloads over there as well, and there's loads of cool content on there as well that I've been working on for over a year and a half. So be sure to check that out. That's about it really. In a bit. Bye.